how to update your personal information on Truist. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to update your personal information on Truist Bank. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Truist Bank. And now here on the search result, you just have to click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Truist Bank. Now here, you simply have to log in with your credential and once logged in, you simply have to look for profile icon or the name at the top right and click on it and select settings or profile and preferences. And after that, you'll see different sections like contact information, mailing address, and email address. So click the section that you want to update. And after that, you simply have to enter your information in the fields provided and be sure to double check for accuracy before saving. And for security, Truist may send you a verification code to your phone or email. So enter the code to confirm your changes. And after that, you simply have to click Save Update to finish. And you will see confirmation message letting you know that your details have been updated successfully. And that's it. That's how you can update your personal information on Truist. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.